Ramadan Daily. Hey guys, so today is, I think today is day 3 of Ramadan, April 4, yes, today is day 3. So I just got back to school. It's currently like 10:30. I just got back to my apartment. Guys, I spent like the first and second day of Ramadan at home. I had to go home because like I was just feeling so overwhelmed and I didn't want to start Ramadan alone, because Ramadan, being alone during Ramadan is, I've never experienced it before, and I knew it, I just had a feeling that it was not going to be, basically I just wanted to have a feel of home for the first 2 days. But now I'm back home, I'm back in my place. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, I got a package from like a brand. The brand is called Look Fantastic. So you can like order like makeup and beauty, basically beauty and skincare products from their website, and and basically you get to shop for all beauty supplies that you need from their website. And I have a code for 25% off Zulaihat, so ZULAI. I'll try and put it here. My name is like the discount to get 25% off, so make sure you use my code to get 25% off. So this is the first box. It actually came in like 2 boxes. I'm trying to check why this big box, guys. Oh, let me show you guys my desk. But like, why this big box? Like, brands, please stop doing this. Why this big box for just 2 products? Look at how big the box is. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how big the box is, but it's just 2 products that's in it. So the CoverGirl eyeliner and the CoverGirl mascara. So the next one, hopefully it's not just one thing that is in this one, because if it's just one stuff, I'm just like, why are you guys saving stuff? Like, we're trying to be economical and like save the planet. Why are we using this much boxes for just like, I was so sure when I saw just 2 stuff. Can you believe it's just one stuff that came in here, like the Maybelline mascara? Just one stuff in this whole big box. So basically just 3 stuff that came in this huge 2 boxes. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is it. And yeah, let's continue Ramadan Day 3. Today is the 4th day of Ramadan. So guys, yesterday to today, I think I stopped vlogging when I came yesterday, but yes, like a lot has happened since yesterday. Let me just give you guys like a breakdown before like I start today's vlog, because I'm starting today's vlog really late. It's like currently like 6 p.m. and I haven't made Iftar. So guys, yesterday I did not have Iftar. You know, it's crazy. I was so, I won't say I was tired, I wasn't just feeling hungry, so I didn't have Iftar all through yesterday. And for Sahur, I just took water. So basically I have been fasting like on rotation. I only had like oranges and a cupcake. How does my scarf look this funny? But I only had like oranges and a cupcake yesterday, and I did not have any meal again after that. Then I had like, since then I haven't had a meal, because yesterday I wanted to cook, but like I wasn't just feeling it. So that's that, like I didn't cook. Today also my building decided to like do like water renovation, so I didn't have water like since. I wanted to start cooking this meal. I wanted to cook like, since I live alone, I wanted to make Iftar early. I'll have time to like read Quran and stuff before time for like Iftar basically. But my building refused to give us water. They had to do like water maintenance today, and I forgot. They sent an email, but I actually forgot. So yeah, so that just happened, and I've had a lot of schoolwork. And I literally have class in 1 minute. I have class by, oh my god, I had class by 5:30 and it's 6. I need to join my class now and start cooking. So yeah guys, okay guys, I just joined my class. I don't know if you guys can see on my computer. I'm so glad I'm having online class during Ramadan, because imagine I was going to like in-person classes. That would be so crazy, because I have my classes like sometimes in the evening. So I'm already 30 minutes late, but yeah. But let me just show you guys what I'm trying to make, like plantain with chicken, and basically plantain with chicken and what's it called, and sauce. I don't know why my scarf looks really funny. It's making my face look really like funny, but that is, yo, let me try and like arrange myself. I'm trying to like roast plantains. I have these plantains before they go bad. I haven't had anything to eat yesterday, so I'm trying to be like a chef today. So I'm going to like make plantains, basically like roast them. I have like chicken, and I'm going to make like a sauce to eat beside it. Then I'm also going to make smoothie, like a grape and strawberry smoothie. Inshallah, that's what I plan on like making for Iftar today. So oh my god, I have dishes to do, so I'm just going to do like the dishes. Can you guys see? This is the thing I missed when I was home, right? Everything was done. When it was just time for food, I just really go and eat. But see, I have to do everything myself here. So can you see the amount of dishes I have to do? I have a lot of dishes to do before. Can you see? 1 year. I got this book. Like a friend of mine got me this book. This 30 meals, 30 easy meal with this ideas. So I'm trying to make by Chef Stone. The book is by Chef Stone. He's like a big chef in Nigeria. I will be making the extra spicy, so extra sticky honey chili wings, the plantain chicken sauce. I may not make it exactly how his looks like because his looks like really like fancy. In this Ramadan, I'm trying to create recipes, meals from this book. Oh, look at this one. There's this pomegranate chili mint chicken wings. I do not have pomegranate juice, so I'm going to do that. Oh yes. Oh, inshallah, this is what I'm going to make tomorrow. I have cheese, I have everything basically. I have penny pasta, I have... Ooh, we're gonna make this tomorrow. This is going to be an exam for tomorrow for day 5, inshallah. So without further ado, like guys, there are so many like nice things to make in this book. We're just going to make this one first. I'm running on literally zero energy because I didn't eat nothing since yesterday. I am just moving on my own right now. So yeah. I don't know, I'm being so extra. I'm very like, I'm trying to gather all the energy I have in my system to do anything. So guys, I'm first going to just take like the plantains. I'm just going to like put them in the oven. I need a foil wrap. Yeah. While that is cooking, these are the plantains. I just made 3 because like I don't know how hungry I'll be. But I'm trying to find out if he added salt before he put it on into the roast. He actually deep fried his. I don't want to deep fry mine, but he actually sliced it in half, the middle. So I'm just going to do that before I pop it into the oven. I don't want to deep fry mine. I want to roast it because it's always like, it's always nicer when it is roasted. To me, I like fried, but for this I don't want too much oil. Like the chicken is going to be oily, the sauce is going to be oily. Why would this be oily too? So guys, now that I've popped that into the oven, I'm not going to just do the chicken on the sauce now, and the sauce, which is going to involve a lot of chopping. So guys, I just have the chicken. I just washed it, so now I'm just going to follow like the recipe that he said we should do for the chicken. So guys, I got the secret spice. This is like the secret spice that comes with the book. Then I got the black pepper and salt. So guys, I just allow this to marinate for a while because I still have to make the sauce and I want it to like marinate a little bit. This is how it looks. It looks really juicy. It smells really good. I'm just going to allow it to marinate for a while. So now let's make my sauce. My sauce, I don't know how I'm going to make it. I just know that I'm going to use basically some things. I really don't know how it's going to turn out. Fingers crossed. Guys, I just have my pepper, red, green and yellow pepper. It's like the atari, like the small peppers. I really don't know what I'm making, but I know that definitely it has to be nice, something nice. So yeah, I just think, I don't know if I want to like chop it up or I want to like blend it. So guys, I'm trying to make the chicken, like I've given it like a few minutes, but it's saying I need flour. I said flour, but I don't think I have flour, and I don't think my meat has flour either, but I'm just going to deep fry it either way. Like you just have to do without the flour. Now it's 7:35, so literally I have like 40 minutes before it's time to eat, so I don't want to waste time. So guys, this is the meal overview. I have my plantains, really well done, then my chicken, and then my sauce. So it looks so cute. I hope it tastes good because I couldn't taste it. This is it. And it is 7:29, so I'm just gonna go. So guys, this is my iftar, the chicken and the sauce and the plantain. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten it like a whole 2 days, so this is like I can't wait to eat this. So it is currently 10 p.m. I ate my iftar and I have just been sitting here since I am so weak. But guys, the meal was delish. Like the chicken was wow. Like I don't know why I haven't been following like these guys, like the cookbook recipes all this time. Like I make chicken, I give myself some like I make good chicken, but today's chicken was just was really nice. So yeah, chicken was nice. The sauce was really good. I didn't expect it to come out like taste that good. It was really good, and the plantain was like normal. It was grilled, so it was also nice. But yeah, that was it. Today is day 4 of Ramadan, and I haven't even posted like my main Ramadan vlog. I've been posting like vlogs from like before Ramadan. I have a lot of vlogs that I made before Ramadan, so I will try and edit a vlog before I go to bed. Also, I'm going to try and like maybe like make my sahur before I go to bed, or eat my sahur before I go to bed. I don't know how, because last night I only drank water. So I think I'm just going to have like my sahur by my bedside. So I just wake up, like down it and go back to bed, because I don't think I want to wake up and go through all that, like basically everything that is involved. I'm so weak. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. I just said let me come and end the day 4 vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this vlog wasn't too boring for you guys. I feel like it was boring, but I hope you guys didn't find it boring though. Yeah, so alhamdulillah, mashallah, I hope you guys are having a great Ramadan so far. Today is the 4th day, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, inshallah.